Buenos dias, guys!
Paus!
Buenos dias, guys!
Someone's calling.
Yesterday, with the refrigerator, we had this dream ref, but it's so big it wouldn't fit our kitchen. Our kitchen is just right. It's not that grand.
Sakto lang talaga.
Sakto lang talaga siya for a small family.
Flashback.
So, we have another problem. Dadamay namin kayo sa pagsolusyon nito. A while ago, we went to the appliance store and we really wanted the ref that looks like this. So it's a Samsung refrigerator, but it's too big for the space allotted for our refrigerator right here. Takot kami baka makulangan kami sa space for the wirings and for this door na andito. It will be a harang to this door when you open. You have to reach out to the knob para ma-open lang yung door. Kasi gusto talaga namin siya kasi it's all white. It will match the kitchen cabinets that we will put in our home, and we really want that, as in we really want that refrigerator. We've never seen a ref that looks like it, and that's really worth the splurge. And we hope that it will fit here. Pero let's see. Ay, ganun kapal yung ano dyan.
Sakto. Ano dito? Yan.
Ref. Wait, ito. Change of plan! Di talaga, pangit na talaga aesthetically if you come to see it from the side, kasi the ref will have a few centimeters of excess here, and then yung cabinets hanggang dito lang. So imagine nyo, dito yung ref, tapos dito may cabinet, so it's not even, it's not symmetric. Aesthetically, hindi pasado, so no, we don't want a big chunk of tray that's very metallic and does not fit the aesthetics of our house. So
End of flashback.
ngayon, we will go to the mall to check out the different refrigerators available. Kahapon na-check na namin and gusto na sana namin bilhin yung isa, but it will not fit here. So ngayon, titingin tayo ulit ng mas maliit because our kitchen cabinets installer promised us that they can cover whatever refrigerator we will buy. So magkakaroon ng built-in and conceal the refrigerator sa bahay natin.
One moment is enough. I will be standing here right by your side. I will be standing here till the end of time. I will be standing here all through the night, till the stars align.
Nakapunta na kami ng SM, ng Icon, ng National. Tatlo. And so far, ano yung mga nagustuhan mo?
Ay, napili lang yung ref kanina. Pero masyado siyang
Manipis.
slim o
Parang hindi mo siya bet.
hindi talaga all out.
2 hours later.
Yan na, ang Aussie Wi-Fi. Dapat naka-label talaga lahat ng switch.
Lahat ng bagay. Kasi
Example, ito, brick stop. Yan sa taas. Ito ano to, dining chandelier. O, ito ilagay natin. Yan. So, this is the... Kaya mag-focus. Wait. So, ang dining chandelier is this one. So, i-on natin. Ito ba? Ito ba? Yan. So, ito siya guys. So, lagyan natin.
Next morning.
today is another day. Found the ref.
So, anong napili mo? Contele sir, is fat cash 30. Sige sir, it's na po discount.
Pero mga 20 na lang.
Ito yung ilang cubic to?
14.3.
Yung isa,
This one is 10.2.
ito yung smaller version. And yung pinakamaliit, 9. Anong pangalan yan?
PANASONIC ECONAVI.
Yun yung most sought after na
Sa home
brand
bodies.
sa home bodies.
11.
Ano?
Smaller version nito. Kasi meron pa dito, oh. 11.3 cubic feet.
Pero mas gusto ko malaki eh. Bigger the better. Tayo ka. Dito, tinawag ka na siya kalaki guys. At ang liit-liit ni Jobelle. 1, 2, 3. Siya talagang perfect for us, Bu. Kasi hindi siya sobrang lapad. Pero malaki siya.
And ang gusto ko sa kanya, this one. Wait lang, try natin. Kaya ko pa.
Yep. Alright, it's another day.
And it's blurred as our feature.
Yeah.
Went to a lot of local appliance stores already. Parang lahat na ikot na namin. And
that's good. Kasi
Yes.
ma-rule out mo talaga lahat ng mga possibilities.
Rule out, very doctor. There were a lot of things that we learned in our journey in finding the perfect refrigerator. Initially, we just wanted an aesthetically pleasing refrigerator that will match our house.
But we forgot to consider the dimension of the ref and the fitting sa bahay. Important guys, na sa planning phase pa lang, pag-usapan nyo na yung size ng ref, saan ilalagay, na walang door na nakasangga. So, perfect lang dapat lahat. So, ngayon,
Yes.
pinaproblema namin siya. Pero, buti na lang, may nahanap kaming perfect ref for our house.
Yes. So the first thing that you have to take into consideration in finding the perfect refrigerator is the size of the available space of your kitchen. Kasi sa amin, the problem was the depth. The length and the width were okay. Pero yung depth niya, sasangga siya sa available room sa baba. So we didn't want that. And it will make the kitchen seem very off kapag yung measurement hindi tugma sa refrigerator. So, what we did was to find smaller version and we contacted our kitchen installer. Sabi naman niya, magagawan daw nila ng paraan.
Concealed type of cabinet na pagbuksan mo, nandun na palang ref.
Ang dami naming na-learn in the process of finding another refrigerator that we wanted. Aside from the measurement and the size, second, ano yung brand na gusto nyo? Dapat reliable, dapat yung parts available sa local city ninyo. Mahirap siyang hanapan ng parts pag nasira. So, the tendency is you have to buy another unit.
Yes.
And it costs a lot of money to buy one.
That, sasabihin ko. So, make sure na walang issues yung company.
So, yung service center, it's also important that the type of brand of refrigerator that you will buy, it's something na merong service center sa inyo. Third, dapat makita nyo rin kung energy saving ba siya.
Yes.
Merong nakalagay na yellow paper on top of the refrigerator, makikita nyo yung specific number. The higher it is, the lower the energy consumption of the unit.
Also have to know the different kinds of compressors, like the digital compressor, the linear compressor, pace to take time para mag-study. Kasi muntik na namin bilihin yung pangit na na brand.
Yeah.
Buti na lang nag-aral kami kung anong magandang brand na bilhin.
Kasi when you go to the appliance store, gagawin nila ng lahat para mabenta yung mga available units.
Sales and marketing.
Yes. And yung mga salesperson, not that we're telling that you don't have to trust them, but you have to do your own research. It took us 3 days to read, to canvas, and to learn
find the
these
perfect
things.
ref.
Yeah, so we didn't buy immediately. Allot pa kami ng ilang nights of studying and reading. So ngayon, bibili na natin yung gusto natin. And also, kailangan titingnan nyo rin kung may discounts. Kasi like for spot payment, ang laki ng mababawas. So, mga around 10,000 pa yung nabawas if spot payment.
The budget permits, mas maganda if cash kaysa installment. Pero if yun ang kaya, installment din, why not? Okay
If
lang.
installment, okay lang. But maganda din na credit card. Kasi although hindi kayo nabawasan sa discount, meron namang mga points in return. And if nabayaran nyo in time, it will increase your credit limit and yung credit score nyo mas magiging okay. So magandang installment via credit card, but it has a disadvantage of not being able to avail of the spot payment discount.
So right now, we're going to ask if yung unit ba na bibili namin, yun ba yung naka-display or meron ba silang reserve na unit na bago, fresh from the box? Yun ang gusto namin kunin. Pero kung ano man ang will ni Lord, tingnan natin anong mangyayari ngayon. Yes.
Takyo yan, reserve yung parang.
Uy, kasi
Ayaw lang kasi lang kasi.
wow! Na, para sa atin talaga yan. Yung atin talaga naka-reserve na. So, how much total? Ano, nabayaran mo na?
Wait.
Adulting?
Adulting 101.
Sabi namin na kapag will ni Lord, sobrang dali lang, sobrang easy. Parang naka-reserve na for us, diba? Parang pagdating natin, meron na pala silang
Unit available
ni Lord. Hindi siya yung parang straight yes or no. Dapat you'll feel it. Pakiramdamin mo if mabigat ba or light ba yung pakiramdam. So yun yung conscience mo na nagsasalita na it's the Lord saying yes, it's para sa inyo na talaga to.
Yes, big purchase na sa amin. But praise God for His provisions.
Grabe rin naman ang sacrifices natin. Hindi na tayo kumakain sa labas.
Yes, there were a lot of things that we let go of and sacrifice.
Hindi na kayo bumibili ng mga bagong damit, mga pants. It's
Tingnan
like for
na
two.
naman ilang beses ko na itong ginamit sa vlogs. Paulit-ulit na lang yung
Paulit-ulit lang
damit,
yung mga damit namin.
But these are the things that will really not matter in the long run. What matters most is yung mga kailangan talaga natin and nung family natin.
So ito yung magandang i-video kasi panoorin natin to sa future.
Hindi usually napapakita sa mga vlogs is the sacrifices and yung journey on how to get there.
So ayan.
Yun lang, dahilan sa rent. Ang dami na nating sinabi.
Hindi naman na-record. Joke lang. Ito naman kita reaction.
Now, we're heading to the house. Daming nag-ask what's the best ref for this price range, and a lot of the comments suggested PANASONIC ECONAVI. Sobrang happy namin kasi nabili na namin yung ref na nakikita lang namin sa Home Buddies before. That's our refrigerator. Very grateful sa manager for giving us special manager's discount. Kasha, no baby, what will we do? Hindi kasha.
Sirain ng buong bahay.
Walang pera.
Okay, time.
Yay! There's our refrigerator. Nasa. Struggle! Okay! Yay!
Work pa.
Pwede siyang gamitin talaga when we go furniture shopping or when we do our vlogs kasi it's just flat